In today's show, we're going to do fills, and it is a non-dominant application. Sit tight. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Think of this as your glamorous safe space in a world full of chaos. Today, we're just going to make beautiful things, and those things are going to be fresh nails for me. Not fully fresh, though. We're just going to do fills. It's going to be awesome. It's also a pretty short video today. We're going to focus on the thumb for most of it. The art, though, we're going to do on all of the nails because we're going to be doing some really gorgeous transfer foil. I've got to keep it simple on my right hand because, like I said, this is a non-dominant application. And try as I might, I would not ever be able to draw the roses that we're going to use today. So it would be great, but I still deserve beautiful nails on my right hand. And if I cannot do the same thing, which let's keep it real. If you know what I did on my other hand, and I'll link it up here in the little area, I could do that on this hand. That it would be very easy to do that. But I never match. So here we are with some gorgeous transfer foil. And you know what? Here's the thing. Some people are really, really crappy about stamping and transfer foil and stickers or water decals or any of the easy things that you can put on your nails to make something gorgeous. Okay, they're super, super judgmental about it. You're not an artist. Wah, wah, wah. Nuts to that noise. That's what I say. Okay. No, no, no. We don't play that around here. Whatever you use to make art is still art. If you are making, a big collage and using all different kinds of pictures and all different kinds of like scrapbooky things and maybe fabric and whatever mixed media you want to use, shoot, I don't know, maybe you throw some washers on there, right? But whatever you're using to create a new thing and make that thing beautiful in your heart and your eyes and to others even, although if other people don't get your art, that's totally valid too. It's okay. Art is subjective. But if you're making something beautiful, it is art. And if you made something beautiful on your nails, it's nail art. And if somebody doesn't like that, that's too bad for them. Your life doesn't have to be about what makes them angry. Let them feel their own anger and you just move on loving your nails. Okay? So now that we've got everything prepped up, what we're going to do is put our dehydrator. Then we're going to use a primer. And be kind to me in those comments, guys. This is my non-dom. Okay, so it's not going to be perfect. Then my second primer is Tack by Light Elegance. And normally, honestly, I do put Light Elegance down when I do my nails, but the color of this this polygel is so close that I just don't feel it's actually necessary. When I do anything though crazy like I have on my left hand right now, which those are gorgeous, guys. Go watch that video. I just can't hype it up enough. It's so awesome. But when I'm wearing the crazy colors, I like to put something down on my nail bed that protects me. And I have some cosmetic or no, Ideal Pink Builder Gel by Light Elegance that I use for that because it just makes my whole nail bed perfectly pink. And if it's going to be a see-through nail, it gives it a nice, beautiful base back there. So but this color is almost exactly the same, and we're not doing any crazy colors, so I just put it down directly on the primers, and here we go. You could probably put a base coat down, but I never use base coat. I have no problem with any adhesion of any type. Base coat is gel. Polygel is gel. So if base coat's going to stick to the primer, so is polygel, right? I have never once in, it's like 6 years now that I've been doing my own nails and making videos for y'all, but never had any issues. So it's up to you, I think, if you want to use base coat. Base coat is good for certain things,
Let's
though,
just go ahead
like to smooth something out or to give you a sticky layer if you need it. So this is the color we're working with today. I'm not going to do more than one color. I really like this creamy, cool, light, beautiful yellow. I don't often wear yellow, but I think this is a very, very good color for me. And I had not worn the canny yet. I don't think I have anyway. I have those 4 bottles by Canny, and I've done a lot of art nails with them, but I don't think I've worn them yet. There's a red that I bought that I really think I need to wear soon. It's just so pretty, and I think it's going to be a good color for me. So we went in with 1 coat. Now we're coming in with 2, and yeah, that's my shaky cam because, non-dominant. And then this is our 3rd coat. I just went kind of quick with these second 2. But this yellow, it had some shadowing, and I felt like it needed 3 coats. And here are the other nails. Like I said, we were just going to focus on the thumb. But now here we are to the flowers, and we're going to use 2 butterflies as well. And I'm going to pretty basically show you all of that. Not all of the rubbing that you have to do to get them to stick sometimes, especially when it's on this thicker plastic. You know how when you buy the transfer foil, sorry, my brain just totally farted. When you buy the transfer foil, some of it, especially if you get like the chrome colors or the metallic colors, it's on very thin plastic, and those almost always stick easily no matter what. But the ones on the thicker plastic, like these, which have usually the images and stuff, sometimes those don't stick so well. So this one stuck pretty well, but there's one tiny little spot right on the side of the big rose that didn't come off good, and you can notice it. So I'm just going to line it up, kind of like you would do if you were stamping, and then just rub it, and it worked. Sometimes it doesn't, but in this case it did. So we're super lucky. Then on this one, we're going to have a butterfly, just part of a butterfly. I'm not going to put the whole thing because then I wouldn't have room for flowers. And I want every nail to have at least a little bit of flowers. And I'm sorry I was out of frame. Excuse me, I was out of frame when when I peeled off the flowers and put those on that first nail. And then I did on each one of the nails, like you saw for a second there on the index finger, anywhere that there's a little bit of sticky left, I'm just letting a tiny bit of gold transfer foil give it a little highlight. And I do that on all the nails, but you did not see the thumb at all because there's no footage of it. I couldn't find it. Like I looked and looked and looked. I'm like, did I just, like walk away from the desk when I did that or something? I don't know. I have no idea. But here you go. We're coming in with this gold. It didn't want to stick at first. And I was like, what's wrong with you? And then all of a sudden, boom, pow. It gave us a little shimmer. So you can see it right there. Boom. One more butterfly, which look at it. It looks like a mean face. Look at how that butterfly looks like a mean face. How crazy is that? I didn't notice it until it was on me. I might not have put it on, but once I was looking at it, I was like, oh yes, I have a mean butterfly. I love it. I'm feeling particularly mean these days, so maybe that's why I picked that one subconsciously, right deep in my subconscious. And then this pinky nail, we're just going to go with this little spray of flowers and then give it a tiny bit of the gold. Actually, I think, let me look at my pinky. Let me actually look at my nail. Yeah, it's got a little bit more gold on it than some of the others. Because this didn't, this doesn't cover the whole nail, and I didn't have to rub all that one side. So, it just worked out. Boom. Guys, I have to tell you, I just, as much as I do love my left hand, because they are striking, those nails. Seriously, have you not watched that video yet? Please go watch it. This is top coat, by the way. Super shiny by Light Elegance, because my hair's purple right now. So I need stain proof top coat. But anyway, I can't stop looking at these nails. They are gorgeous. Super Shiny has a sticky layer because it's a hard gel. So I am making sure I get that removed. I find that transfer foil sometimes can chip. So make sure that you wrap your edges. Here's a little oil to nourish my thirsty, thirsty skin. And then I am going to just wipe off what little bit of oil got on the nails. But here they are. These feel like old-fashioned sitting on a porch, drinking lemonade at your grandma's house nails. They're Cottagecore to the max. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't know what I got on my thumb that made it black, but whatever it is, it's gone now. But it is in the pictures. I can't help it. These are gorgeous. They're super, super romantic, very old-fashioned. Just, hi, it's summertime, and I'm sorry it's hot, but it sure is pretty. And I love them. I hope you like them too. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, because we love to see you when you come by. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.